Let's get into the top headline in this forecast, and that is how different Sunday's going to feel from today. And I'm going to show you the comparison on how much the temperatures are going to jump from Saturday to Sunday. First, here's Saturday. Daytime highs here are maybe a little warmer than you remember yesterday, but you don't notice a significant difference with these numbers for Saturday. We'll be near 90 in Concord. We'll be in the mid-80s for much of the Bay, 90 in Santa Rosa. What I'm going to do now is change the numbers from Saturday into Sunday, but instead of showing you the daytime highs first, I want you to see the difference. In other words, I want you to see how much warmer the numbers are going to be on Sunday than they will be on Saturday. Now you see a big jump. San Francisco is going to be 15 degrees warmer Sunday than Saturday. We're going to be 10 degrees warmer inland. Every location on here, with the exception of Fairfield, is going to feel a significant difference for the second half of the weekend from the first half. And just to show you where the numbers actually end up, as a result of all that on Sunday, there are your low hundreds showing up for inland locations. Near 90 for San Francisco, 102 in Santa Rosa. Monday technically is going to be the top of the heat wave. It'll be a little hotter than these numbers, but Sunday is when it hits you in the face, and you're going to do a complete turnaround. It'll feel very different. That covers the warm-up. I'll show you how long it lasts in the 70 coming up in a bit. The warm-up is issue number one. Issue number two is the fire weather concerns. So the red flag warning starts tonight at 9 o'clock, doesn't expire till Monday morning at 8 a.m. In other words, it's going to be focused primarily on Sunday, the day we're going to do this big warm-up. Everywhere in red's got a red flag warning for fire weather concerns. But in terms of what this means for the way the weather's going to feel for you this weekend, it means very little. But it's a huge concern in the mountains above 1,000 feet where the winds are really going to pick up. Take a look at Sunday morning when we've gotten right into the heart of the red flag warning. You see all the bright colors up here that are oriented along the mountain range. Look at the wind speed for Mount St. Helena. That's a 30-mile-an-hour gust coming out of the north. Everybody else is barely noticing anything. It will get breezy, don't get me wrong, where we all live, most notably on Sunday morning as we get into the late morning hours of Sunday, into the early afternoon. You'll notice it's a bit breezy. But the reason there's a red flag warning is not because of that. It's because of the 40 to 50-mile-an-hour gusts over the mountains, particularly overnight Sunday into Sunday morning. And then in addition to that, there's also how much the air is going to dry out. So if we just look at this from a relative humidity standpoint, you can really see the difference in numbers. Right now, relative humidities are in the 50s and 60s and 70s in most places. There's a lot of green on the map. That's Saturday morning. That's good. Look how drastically different those numbers are by the time we get into the heart of that red flag warning. Instead of relative humidity percents in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, they're all in the teens. That's really the driving factor behind a red flag warning. It's drying out all that vegetation. By the way, depending on how those fires behave, we could see a little more smoke come our way, but we'll have more info on that as we get closer to it. If we see more of that smoke, Devin, it's probably going to be focused on Monday. Monday, which is also going to be the peak of the heat wave, we could also have some air quality concerns. There'll be two reasons to stay inside in the air conditioning that day.